Thank you, Aishwarya. I wish you must get this job. Aishwarya, please tell me, see, what are the major responsibilities of a credit manager?
Sir, as a credit manager, he has a whole lot of responsibilities, right from customer onboarding, then analyzing the financial statements and doing loan appraisals, loan processing, credit analysis, regulatory compliances or compliances of the branch banking. He has to make sure that no such loan is granted, which could be in NPA in the future. Then he is also responsible to do review renewals of loans already granted, and if additional loans is desired, and then again the review renewal processes is to be done.
Mhm. Good. Um, Now you are, um, which major advance you would have processed?
So at present, currently we are processing mainly car loans, housing loans, LAPs.
Mm, okay, good. That's good. Now, you are not having big advances, big industries advances and all.
No, so we are doing some advances like CGT, MSc, PMEGP.
CGT, MSc guarantee is up to what amount?
So the guarantee ranges from between 15% to 35%.
No. Guarantee coverage is 75% to 85%. Who told
Yes,
you this?
yes.
You are telling the
Sorry, I
you're telling the reverse. And amount, maximum loan amount is 5 crores, na?
5 crores. Yes, sir. Right.
Yeah,
Earlier
good.
it was 2 crores, then it was increased up to 5 crores.
5 crores. Correct, correct. Now, why do loans become NPA?
So they become NPA uh, when the applicants defaults in repayment of his installments. It may be intentionally, it may be unintentionally. So
Mm,
there are three, before becoming NPA, the loan is then categorized and in the three categories. That is a stressed asset. These patient mentioned accounts ranges like if the loan is overdue for 0 to 30 days, then it's come under SMA 1 category, substandard one. Then if it is
no, no, no.
31.
Don't mix substandard and SMA. SMA 0 is a 1 to 30 days.
Yes, sir.
SMA
Then
1 is 31 to 60.
260 days.
SMA 2 is
SMA,
61 to 90. After 91, it is substandard. No question of SMA. Don't mix these two. Then they
yes,
will
sir.
say you are not thorough with IRAC norms. What is IRAC?
Regulatory
Income
invest.
recognition and classification.
Yes, sir.
So you must know that. Very good. Doesn't matter. Miss Aishwarya, Miss Aishwarya. 1 minute. What is it I wanted to ask her? Hmm. Ah, what is cooperative bank? What is commercial bank? What are the special provisions for cooperative bank? Please tell me. This question is very important.
Okay, sir. Cooperative banks are banks which are registered under state cooperative societies. They are regulated by RBI and they are under the provisions of Banking Regulations Act 1949.
But under what are they registered? They are registered under Cooperative Societies Act. No?
Cooperative societies. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Now, next important point. Tell me, tell me. I am expecting a
So,
lot.
The main motive of these cooperative banks is not to earn profit. They run on no profit, no loss concept. They advance loans and for the financial needs of their members. Before giving loans, they uh, onboard the applicant as a member. Then only they can advance loans. On the other hand, commercial banks are banks which are running for profit purposes, sir.
Does it mean you people will work without any profit? What was the
So we,
what was the profit of Service Cooperative Bank last year?
sir, around 500 crore.
Profit
Yes, sir.
500 crore. क्या किया आप लोग? सबको मेंबर को दे दिया और
Nice, sir.
अपना रिजर्व्स पर रख लिया? You don't know. Hello, what did the bank
Hello.
do?
Yes, sir.
What did the bank do? Did it distribute it as a dividend to members, or
Yes, sir.
did it?
It
It
also declared dividend of 15%
That's a good.
last year.
What is a
Yes, sir.
one share for a member?
Yes, one share costs around rupees 10.
Bus. But what is the
Yes,
minimum
sir.
shares one person should hold members?
Sir, and there is minimum share is of 50, at
50.
least 50. Yes, sir.
Minimum share 50 is to be required for opening savings account. For
No,
availing,
sir, not saving. Only for availing credit facility.
अच्छा 50 shares होने से हो जाएगा? I
Yes,
am
sir.
have I am having shares of 50, but will you give me 25,000, 30,000 loan?
Yes, sir. Actually, the criteria is sh the shareholding is 2.5% of the loan amount, and
अच्छा.
maximum shares allotted are 2,500.
Maximum allotted is only 2,500.
Yes, sir.
That means I cannot draw more than 1 lakh loan from bank.
No, sir. An applicant can draw loan more than that amount, but the maximum shares will be allotted. It's the capping
Uh-huh.
for applicant capping is there.
Yeah, yeah, that is right. Good. However, in many states, what is happening is only some political parties, they exercise influence and they are the rajas of the cooperative societies. You will not agree with this, you need not agree with this, but this is what it is. Now, Aishwarya, please tell me in what way your cooperative society is different from primary agricultural credit societies.
So the first difference is agricultural societies are mainly um, uh, working in rural areas and co-op
Have,
or
have you seen some of them? Have you gone into some of them? Have you worked with
no,
some?
sir.
No. I
No,
would
sir.
like you. I would like you to experience that. 1 or 2 days, please go to a primary agricultural cooperative credit society. Tell them you are working as a member. You have come to know knowledge about the how it is working. In what way is it different from our banks? Just for knowledge, for interview purposes. First,
Yes, sir,
develop
sure.
confidence and ask. Do you follow what I say?
Yes, sir.
And I think they are not using computers now. Na? Maybe they will be using only ledgers and all that. What system are they following? Or are there some agricultural credit societies which are using computers also? What type of assistance are they giving to their members? And do they
Okay.
also follow civil reports? Thing like that. Why don't you talk to
Okay.
them and find out? Because your questions will be only round about this, not like other candidates. They will be asking a debt service coverage ratio, then current ratio. That will be there. But for you, major question will be What is cooperative society? What is the difference between cooperative and banks? What are the special features or functions of cooperative society? Like that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Please
sir.
develop your confidence in this regard so that you can get success.
Yes, sir.
What is the expansion of IBC? Insolvency and Bankruptcy
Indian
Code.
Bankruptcy Code of India. Right, sir.
What is the advantage of Insolvency Bankruptcy Code Act? It has helped recover more amount. We don't know how much it is. And reports are coming that it is helping institutions to recover more monies. Now, next question, some gossip report. What is the news you read about four small public sector banks being merged? Which banks are they? Did you listen to that? Did you read about it? No. Newspaper
No,
padhna
sir.
hai, news sunna hai before going for the interview. Bank of Maharashtra, UCO Bank, Central Bank of India, UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, um, Central Bank of India, one more bank. What is it? Is it Bank of India? Maybe. Or Indian Overseas Bank. I don't know. These four banks' names are appearing for merger into one.
Okay, sir.
We don't know what is going
Punjab
on.
and Sindh.
Punjab and Sindh.
Thanks for correcting me. Good, Abhijit Naik. Abhijit Naik, you are working in which bank?
Not working, sir, currently.
Which bank you want?
Union Bank, sir.
You want to work in Indian Bank. Acha, you are
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
appearing
yeah.
for law
No, sir, UBI credit only.
credit only. Acha. What is your degree?
BTech and MBA.
BTech. And for this also, do they insist on MBA? I don't think so.
No, sir, no, sir. I have MBA, but they don't
They
insist.
don't need. Acha, why our Aishwarya is going for only that interview? Good. Now, why don't you put some tough questions to Aishwarya, Abhijit Naik? No. You are
Sir,
working in which bank now?
so, sir, currently appearing for the specialist post only, not yet working, sir.
Not yet working. Ore Baba.
No.
Then you may not be able to ask questions. She will put question to you.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Anyhow, doesn't matter. Aishwarya,
Yes, sir.
can you tell about famous personalities in your name?
First is Aishwarya Rai,
Hmm.
and there is also a Gujarati singer, Aishwarya Majumdar.
Mhm.
She's very famous in Gujarat.
Acha. Very good. You are a Gujarati or you are a Rajasthani ladki na?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जी. आपको this Aishwarya Roy acted in a very famous Tamil movie. What is the name of that movie?
She acted in many movies. I think it's Iruvir.
No.
I don't know if it's Tamil
Ponniyin
or
Ponniyin Selvan.
Ponniyin
Ponni,
Selvan. Yes.
Ponniyin
In
Selvan
both
1 and Ponniyin Selvan
parts.
2. Good.
Too.
Excellent. Why should I know all this to become a bank officer? Tell me. Why should I know about movies? Why should I know about politics? Why should I know about Hathras incident? ये सब हमको क्यों पता होना है? That's what I was thinking, sir. You are asking me. Don't tell me like that. As a banker, we are supposed to be keeping our ears open for knowing so many things. Sometimes some reports
Right.
may be in favor of our customer or against our customer, and we must utilize that one properly. Best wishes, Aishwarya. God bless you. I wish you success.
Thank you, sir.
Please ask me some questions. Not something which I cannot answer, something which I can answer.
Uh,
Ask her.
sir,
No, but one thing, honestly, I feel I am not seeing you. But honestly, I feel such able people, why they are being left alone without being given proper employment in spite of their struggling. This problem is there over which I have no solution. So there is no solution. We can't be
Yes.
worrying about everybody. That is again another thing. Anyhow, some things will get on well. Don't worry. God will help you.
Yes.
Any questions you want? What is your daddy?
So my father is now retired. He was in United India Insurance.
तो बढ़िया है. It's a good company. अच्छा पेंशन देगा. Correct.
Yes, sir.
उनका
Yes,
पेंशन
sir.
उनका पेंशन तो अच्छा है. What was he?
He was retired from AO post,
अच्छा, अच्छा.
administrative officer.
Yeah, his pension must be somewhere around 75 to 80,000, nearing.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I know that. I know that. Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. Why did you not try to get into United India at that time itself? In those days, jobs were not this difficult. And you went and sat in a place in Ahmedabad. Are there somebody known to you in Ahmedabad? You want to stay in Ahmedabad?
No, sir. My first posting was in Mumbai. Earlier was I was not having the knowledge of, yeah, or any experience of credit. So
Oh,
I applied for bank.
applied for. Very good. Anyhow, best wishes. God bless you. Be
Yes,
reading.
sir.
Are you a member of my newspaper group?
Yes, sir. I am.
Are you following at least one or two papers?
Yes, sir. But I don't get time daily to read awareness.
No problem. Best
Yes.
wishes. Wish you
Thank you, sir.
success. I wish to hear your success story after the results. Before that, the questions asked to you.
Yes.
After attending interview, send me the questions. Which date is your interview?
It's around 11th July.
When is it starting in UBI?
I am not sure, sir. Maybe from 10th.
11th only, sir.
11th.
11th only.
Very good. Thank you. See,
Yes, sir.
Aishwarya, your answer
Yes.
should be that way, definite answer. It cannot be like this. I am not asking about a State Bank of India interview. I am asking only about UBI interview. So you and that too credit interview. You are associated with that. इसका बारे में जो सब कुछ चल रहा है, wherever it is happening, उसका बारे में आपको information रखना है. If you happen to come across some material that can be made use of for our candidates, you can feel free to share it with me.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I know
Yes, sir. I will.
there was one boy who has become knowledgeist member. I wanted him to take a photo and send the sheet only. He has not sent it. I don't know who is that. Doesn't matter. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.